to be there. I'm doing it!
Yep, you're doing it. Now don't get it all in one spot. Remember, go back and forth. Back and forth. Good job, buddy.
It's blue.
Whoa, watch, be careful. Luke's coloring his blue and you're coloring yours blue too, right, Lucy?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you see how I showed Luke how to do it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I want my number,
Yours is already number 70.
but where is it?
Well, I gotta do the stickers tonight.
Can I do it?
You can help me. All right, Miss
Yay.
Lucy's doing hers now.
Wait.
Well, you're in
What
one.
happens if I get on here?
That's fine.
Okay, can I paint the tires?
No, not the tires.
Whoa.
Why don't you get the sides? Lucy, get the side. Don't do it all in one spot, Luke. You gotta,
Right here?
yeah, the side. Where the silver part is.
Oh, dang it.
Where the, no, where the silver part is.
Oh, okay. Good.
Now you're getting it too close because it's running now. All right, let me help, okay?
No, I got it. Wait, hold on.
Watch so you don't spray Lucy. Luke, do yours, buddy.
Why is this covered?
So it doesn't get painted. Come on.
Can I paint the silver plates, Mommy?
Yeah, that's what you do. Paint the silver part.
Yay!
Luke!
What?
He just sprayed you.
Where?
Well, I thought he did.
That's not supposed to happen.
Don't spray it.
Can I spray right here?
Be careful with it.
Running out.
Okay, you want me to help you?
I need more.
I'll help you, okay?
Ah!
Yep. Mr. Luke almost has his done. Whoa, watch out,
Why are
buddy.
you calling me Mr. Luke?
Because you're dripping, you're dripping. You're dripping. Luke, let me have it. Let me have it. Alright, then you'll have drip marks.
This is my job.
Okay.
Mommy?
What, Lucy? You doing good?
How is this opening and closing?
Because of the wind. Lucy wants green in the inside of hers and
It almost
green
got
lightning
me.
bolts. Lucy, you're not. So what else do you want, Luke? Do you want lightning bolts on yours?
Yeah.
Okay. So Mommy's going to have to be making some stickers tonight. Alright. Miss Lucy spraying the bumper. Hey Luke, are you done? Luke, are you done? Why don't you show everybody your car?
This is my car.
And you're going to be what?
And I'm going to be driving it.
In a Power Wheels Derby?
Yeah.
When?
In Friday?
Saturday of next week
Saturday.
at No Mercy.
Okay.
And so is Miss Lucy. There's her car. She's going to be driving with Luke and her best friend.
Molly.
Yep, Miley's going to be too.
Can we drive this after it dries?
Yeah, well, I got to make the stickers. And then tomorrow we'll put the stickers on and then you can start driving. Some practice laps of banging each other. Okay?
Where are we going to do that?
Tomorrow probably after it dries. Down the street. So you guys going to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
And what do they got to do?
Subscribe and put the notification on.
And like the video. Bye everybody.
Bye.
Hey everyone, it's Candy. Well, we got 6 more days left until the Demolition Derby at No Mercy in Cumberland, Maryland. Joe's inside working on the Derby car now, so let's see what he's doing. So here we're gonna start painting it and then putting my special stickers on the sides of it. It's gonna be a surprise. Looks like he's welding now. And I'm gonna be in the driver's seat, and Zoe's gonna be working the pedals in the shifter. We got a new roof sign for the 2021 season. I don't know if y'all seen it on my Facebook page or not. Pretty cool. The only custom graphics my Kaiser did it.
Do I hear it? You want to hear it?
Yeah.
Who needs an LS when you can get a Cadillac? Pennsylvania style build. No radiator. Might not even run water in it. Running on rocket fuel. Same kind of NASA uses. Works for them other guys, so we'll see how it goes.
You make it sure it is the final before you try to paint.
I haven't seen it.
Look. Oh God.
Alright, keep that brush with this man.
Whoa, Luke. You need help?
If anybody needs any Dodge truck parts,
Yeah,
they're just about to be freebies,
exactly.
including this thing. Oh, that might have a 360 Magnum in it. Not a Mopar guy. I hear they make pretty good derby motors. What?
I think it's better to brush it off.
Well, use this
Yeah, it's a lot better.
messy toolbox.
Football's coming.
Use this slathering brush.
Can you please stop?
Hey, Luke wants to talk about something.
Football videos are coming up. So watch those.
What are they?
Football videos.
Football videos. Who plays football?
Me.
Oh,
And I
yeah?
play softball. And you know already.
Luke.
Listen, what?
What position do you play in football? You haven't figured that out yet, have you?
Can we? I'm like a caterpillar.
Are you a offensive tackle? Sometimes guard? Yes.
I think we need more paint.
Yeah, Daddy's gonna have to turn it off to
Hey,
get more
can I-
paint. No, you can't put it in there, silly boy.
So, bye. Okay. We'll get back to the video after we get more paint.
That's right.
We need more paint in here. Hey, hey, hey.
Lucy's out here painting the hood. Yes, I'm putting a used hood on this
Back to
car
the video.
off of a Cadillac.
It's poking wide.
'Cause it's a couple inches longer. And we can fold it down in front.
The train is here. The train is here.
Yep. Well, what's this that the hood's leaning up against?
A car.
Is that old iron? Surprisingly clean old iron that came from Pennsylvania. I won't tell you where it came from, but my favorite household cleaner is 409.
I need to get some more paint.
Clean trunk. Couple navigators, anybody's into them things. This hot rod's going to go to, there's something fun down there. Same way with this one. But those are the next ones that get built. That one's the next one to get built. And then we got this one.
Daddy?
Luke, that's got poison ivy on it. You better get down. He got up there, he can get down. The boy's fearless. He's going to win a lot of Mad Dogs, whatever you want to call them, sometime in his career.
Never do that again. He's
He's got
scared.
zero patience.
I hope you had.
Go check on the wifey.
You're doing good, Mommy.
Thank you, buddy.
I climbed a tree.
You did.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
And I came down.
It's turning gray. Can't really see it under these fluorescent lights, but
You're gonna have to get the top.
well, that maybe should have been thought about before we painted the sides.
You can do it tomorrow.
We might have to get some spray paint for that one and paint it on the way to the track.
Sounds like something you've done before.
You know we've done it before. We painted the car at the track.
Yeah, I know.
There's that low mileage, fresh, big block Cadillac. Two-barrel Holland. Everything else is stock. You don't need to put a bunch of money in Cadillac motors. They'll run forever. Until they quit. Mystery fuel. We'll stick with the Cadillac until they give me a reason not to. Every day I've ever ran a Cadillac motor, I had to shut it off whenever we were done. Either to go get my trophy or to go pick up the pieces. The old roof sign, which the wife despises.
I made it and it looks horrible.
And it looks good for
I
homemade.
accidentally dropped
Yep.
I accidentally dropped the paintbrush.
Pick it up.
I
New
did.
roof sign.
I did. I accidentally, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you need to get the bottom. Don't worry about the hood. I can get the hood. You get the bottom of this car because you're closer to the ground than the rest of us are. Now, where's your brother? Never mind. I see him. He's in the tree.
Yeah, look at
Lucy! Lucy! Alright, it's turned gray.
I want to climb a tree.
Sandbagger gray. They did pretty good. Still weird seeing two seats in there. There's wifey.
And I'm going to be steering the wheel.
And what don't you do with your thumbs?
Put them inside.
Or else you get a hand that looks like mine. Get a great big knuckle like that one in the middle. All right. Bye.